In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to favorite a project in Asana. Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to favorite a project in Asana to stay organized like a pro. Favoriting is a simple way to keep your most important work just a click away, so you're not hunting through long lists every time you need to jump back in. First, log into your Asana account on a desktop or laptop. While Asana works on many devices, the desktop layout makes this process clear and consistent. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen for the sidebar. This is where your teams and projects are listed. If you don't see the sidebar, it might be collapsed. Move your cursor toward the left edge or click the menu icon to expand it. Next, locate the project you want to favorite in that sidebar. Think about the projects you open daily or those that are time sensitive. Favoriting those will save you the most time. When you find the project name, hover your cursor over it. As you hover, a star icon will appear next to the project name. If the star doesn't pop up right away, move your cursor slightly until it does. Now, click the star icon next to the project name. When you click it, the star typically fills in to confirm it's been favorited. Instantly, that project will be added to your favorites section at the top of the sidebar. This section stays visible so you can jump into your priority projects without scrolling. It's your personal quick access list and doesn't change anything about the project's permissions or notify your teammates. It's just for your convenience. From now on, when you open Asana, check the favorites area first for your high priority projects. This small habit can seriously cut down on context switching and help you stay focused. If you ever decide a project no longer needs to be front and center, you can remove it just as easily. Simply hover over the project in the sidebar again and click the star icon a second time. The star will unfill and the project will disappear from your favorites list, but it will still be available in your regular project list. That's it. Quick, simple, and incredibly effective. Favoriting helps you streamline your workflow, bring important initiatives to the top, and navigate Asana with less friction and more clarity. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.